Abeg, imagine say police just waka enter your phone, they scroll your WhatsApp chats. You go vex, abi? Na Lagos matter be this, so make I yarn you wetin happen. One morning for Lagos, Tunde dey waka go office, dey ginger for his day. Na so Inspector Musa and him team stop am for road, come yarn. Guy, make we check your phone. Tunde come dey reason. Abeg, why una wan enter my phone? Na my personal thing o. But Inspector Musa no gree hear am. Dem collect phone sharp sharp. Tunde dey shake body. Small fear dey catch am because everybody sabi police fit do anyhow for Lagos. Na so case begin for magistrate court. Judge Ade ask Inspector Musa, abeg, which law allow you to enter person phone anyhow? Inspector Musa no fit reply well. Judge Ade come yarn sharply. Na your constitutional rights dey important. Police no fit dey enter person phone anyhow. No matter wetin dem talk, privacy na your own. Tunde dey laugh small small. He happy say justice dey him side. He collect him phone back. Waka go office dey ginger. If na your first time here, welcome to Make We Yan Tori, where we dey break law stories for your side every day, no dulling. You get right to protect your privacy, even from police. No let anybody violate your personal space. Police don check your phone like this for Nigeria before. Abeg, make we hear your side story for comment section.
Make We Yan Tori.